chicken ranch.
Hey, there you can see about where we're at. That's where Mr. Ratcliffe lives. And you come up the road. When we get to the first crossing where the little ditch was for the water, we got Kathy's chicken house. And that rooster just came tonight. And there's some chicks. And there's one full-size hen. Down here in the feed is the other full-size hen. And a bunch more of the chicks. They're getting a little blurry there. There we go. Things wanting to autofocus on the screen. There's the nest box. And the feed box. How many's in there now altogether, Kat? 13 chicks, 2 hens, and a rooster. So 16 here at Kathy's chicken house. And every one of them's been caught over there trying to eat up that guy's garden. We haven't paid for any of this stuff yet. Well, the defense and stuff, but not the chickens. When we got that rooster tonight, ended up pulling the tail feathers out of it, getting it in the cage. Well, there's the big massive marsh farm for now. Catch y'all later. Bye.